Christmas is to go even further beyond. Ah!
Hey SS family, how's it going? So today we got a special video, very special video. We're with Austin out here, and
What do we got?
apparently we got some parts here for Christmas.
Ooh, holiday. What did Santa bring?
Huh?
What did Santa bring you?
Oh shit.
So I think the fans want to know, what did you specifically get for your car?
Okay, hold on. Let me see what are these stickers? The best part. So pretty much what I work for is just all PRL. You know, apparently they have really great stuff on there, which they do. So thank you PRL if you're watching this.
Ooh.
This is it right here. Holy shit, this is heavy. It's the downlight.
Look at that thing.
This is huge, dude. It's nice.
We got the other Christmas present here. What's in this big boy?
This one is the intake. I don't want to touch anything from it.
Ooh.
So this is the intake from it. Ooh, they even gave me a book.
A book?
An installation book.
Look
Dude,
at that,
and the worst funny part is that it doesn't give me an installation for any other thing.
Just for this. That's all that matters.
It's all that matters. That's all that matters, dude.
That's all that matters. Just get an installation book for just this. Not this, but this.
What this is the intercooler. Ooh, and I got the little thing so I can spray it on there. Which I don't have the paint for.
Our fellow Type R here is going to get some nice mods. She's looking forward to them. She'll be a new girl by the end of this video. We're getting everything prepped for Asuna. But Rob's just YouTubing some stuff real quick. Like usual, guys, you know, I'm the one just recording. I'm not doing anything. I never do anything. Is it on?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah. Lift it a little bit more. Keep going. Okay, stop.
Should be in the spot if it wasn't snapped on this.
Yeah, you're right. It's good.
We got the car lifted.
That's the first thing.
The first thing, so the car's lifted. What are we gonna be doing next, Rob? We're gonna be working with taking the bumper. This is a nice Type R engine right here for you guys. This is where all the bald eagles come from.
What?
You get all their bald eagles. Oh wait, this isn't for you. You get all the rice coming out from here. Rice, JDM.
JDM for life.
We'll see how this goes. This is our first time doing this. Rob's using YouTube as his best friend. Little by little, we're learning how to modify our cars. Oh, what is all that coming out?
So, you know what this is?
You just broke it.
No, I didn't.
Oh.
You know what this is, boys and girls?
What is it?
More of these stupid things.
Dude, you live with those things. The past like 3 videos you've been working with those things.
Well, you know what? You're right.
You're an expert at this.
Whoa! Look who showed up!
Let's go get food.
Let's go get food. Hey guys, so Miguel's here. You know, again, he wants to go get. What are we gonna eat? If you guys want a shirt, a special shirt that says "What are we gonna eat?" Miguel, let us know. We'll ship it out to you.
$69.
$69, and it's all sponsored by Miguel.
All right, $420.
What are we gonna eat? I'll put a picture right here. It'll be a little sneak peek design of your merch that says "What are we gonna eat?" Miguel. Why are you guys dressed the same?
Dude, holy shit, we are.
What the fuck?
Twins.
We got a non-car guy here. Show him the parts and be like, what do you think this is?
So what do you think that is?
Honestly, what does any average person think this is?
What do you think it is? You're a Tesla owner.
Smells good though.
So this is what you use. Wait, what? What?
It has no smell.
So what do you think it is? Oh. Okay. What do you think that is? Teslas have it too.
Shit, heavy. I'm gonna fuck you up. What's this? Let's see the chick. It is.
You don't have a single idea what
Another
it is.
pipe.
It's another. Okay. Well,
The
what do you?
bigger pipe.
Well, that was a little trivia for Miguel. He
Save the planet.
Save the Planet pipes. We finally got that bumper off, thankfully. As you guys could, I don't know if you could tell. Here. So, the guy who took it off was not him. Not him.
No.
And then we got the battery
I
off.
agree. I did that.
So,
I'm the tech guy.
you got the tech guy. He didn't even know how to take off a battery. He's a Tesla owner. But, we got the battery.
I don't know why. That's actually pretty funny.
This was scripted all by the way.
This is all scripted, yeah. Okay, guys, tell me if it's not true. Without Rob, there's no Type R. Without the Type R, there's no Street Spartans. And without no Street Spartans, there's no enjoyment in the Street Spartan family. And without no Street Spartans, there's no Miguel.
You guys just got my Tesla as backup.
Get out. Go. Just go. You're done.
See you later.
You're done.
Can I get my water?
No, go. Ah, much better, right? Yes?
Got your pepperoni.
Oh, sweet. Yeah, come on.
I ate
Yeah,
it.
come on. Oh. What are we going to eat? I put the PV blaster and we'll take an hour break to go get food
Yeah.
because we're hungry.
Yeah, now I'm hungry too.
Miguel's face says it. Oh, he's like, food?
That's
All right, guys. So this is our update.
Bottom.
That was coming, bro. I don't know why.
We're making some progress here. What are you doing right now, Rob? What are you doing?
Doing the heat shield though.
Hmm.
Look at the little thing.
It's a world of emptiness in here. You just keep going and going and going and going and going and going and going. So a special guest came here today in the SS family. You know, big shout out to him. He's been, he always shares our videos, comments on the videos. He loves the channel. He loves the vibe. So he came out finally to see us fail in this project that we're not going to finish in this video, but it'll be a 2 or 3 part series. Keep that in mind. So it won't be done today. But huge shout out. Here he is.
What up, SS gang? How you doing tonight? I'm doing great. Drinking some beer. A little slight.
Oh, I didn't think I introduced your name, did I?
No,
This is Mario, guys. Mario. There you go. We got another Mario. We got 2 Marios.
no, you can call me Stario.
Okay, we got Mario and Stario.
Luigi.
Oh, Luigi.
Luigi,
And Luigi. All right, we got Luigi now.
Yes.
We got Wario over here.
Me looking like a
What up, Wario? He's looking like a Power Ranger. Look at
Oh
him.
yeah, transform, Mighty Morphers.
There you go.
So what's up, Stario?
Stario.
Chilling, we vibing. SS gang. Like, subscribe. We coming up. Watch.
He'll come around here and there.
Little things.
Yeah, whenever he wants to show up.
Yeah.
We all have working schedules, unfortunately.
Yeah, it's true, but
Yeah.
the grind don't stop, bro.
Grind don't stop, as you can tell. As usual, Rob's the only one working.
Again.
Yeah, I got you. Don't worry, I got you.
You're the most unproductive.
What are you trying to take off right now, Rob?
This screw right here.
Here, I think you need me here. I got you. Give me this. Stario over here is holding the camera so we can get a little more footage done. We're fucked.
I know.
It fell. And how many fucked moments are we gonna have in this video, dude? Again, Phil, if you're watching this, you already know. I don't have to explain anything anymore. The audience knows already. He got it!
No, I didn't.
Still, guys, hit the like button, subscribe. We're gonna get through this.
Here. Let the magician come in. Here, move.
So what is up, SS gang? We're back.
We're back. That's an instant trigger when he sees the camera on him. Here we go. What about you? Oh,
Save the planet.
okay. Hey, we need a big, strong guy.
You got him right here.
Please don't strip it.
Lucky Lucy, ready, tidy?
Yeah.
Is this the one you failed, Justin?
Wait, what?
What was that? Is your dog outside?
Yeah.
Why do you have him outside? Because he goes outside?
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna work, right?
Are they keeping you outside? That's animal abuse.
Yo, low key, I'm afraid I don't need to strip this bitch.
Yeah, I know. I don't want that to happen. Here, wait up.
Whew. Well, we run into this situation once again.
No, let me do it. You guys.
No, I'm sorry, I didn't take my steroids this morning. sorry, guys.
Sorry.
I failed you guys. I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
Now you're Broly over here.
You were Broly
I'm
over
a
here.
Power Ranger.
They took it off without. They took off this without taking off the heat shield.
Really?
Yeah, that's how the fucking video looks like. I mean, without taking this off.
So we're having troubles. You know, we always run into issues with these things. I don't know why. We suck.
American muscle's better.
Of course, Broly over here would drive a V8 only.
That's the only way to go.
Can't see a Broly in a 4-cylinder. Kakarot!
That's more like a Vegeta.
2021.
Version right there.
Give me your best Goku impression.
Me?
Yeah.
I'll give you a Krillin. How about
Yeah,
that?
give me a Krillin.
That's not good.
Alright, here. I'll do a Super Saiyan 5.
Dude, it's
And this is to go even further beyond! Ah! And at that moment, he stripped it. Fucking got it.
No, you got it.
What the? So you're gonna? That's all it takes. You gotta scream like Goku. Broly's got this. Come on, Stario.
I feel the clip. Oh, I think I almost got it. Damn. I'm having big ass hands.
So we need baby hands. Hey, we need you.
Yeah, it's fine.
There you go, boys. Ladies and gentlemen, we got to the downpipe. And this video will be continued for part 2. Yawning over there. So stay tuned, guys, for part 2. This is it for part 1. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Thank you, as usual, Miguel, for coming out for part 1. And our
No, you
special
suck.
guest, Mario, here. Stario, Broly.
Yeah, man. Thank you.
I
I think he did more than you.
I think so,
Today?
too, yeah. Yeah.
What do you mean? I've been all day helping out. Tired.
All you do is talk, remember? You just talk. It's your turn to talk. You're always the one
I'm done
doing
with the jokes.
Yeah. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. We'll see you for the next one. Street Spartans out. Peace.